Saudi Arabia's biggest oil refinery has been blown up by Iranian drones and missiles. And because of this and many other factors, oil prices are surging worldwide, so expect to pay a lot more at the pump. Also, Qatari oil rigs are being blown up by Iranian drones, and these would take months to repair. Qatar, who's the biggest provider to Europe of natural gas, has announced they are pausing all export. And the Russian stock market is having a really great day. Besides that, more carpet bombing of Tehran, Iran last night. American bases in Kuwait have been destroyed. Also, the American base in Erbil, Iraq. A naval base in Bahrain has just stopped burning today after 2 days of strikes, and the Strait of Hormuz has been effectively shut down. Also, it appears that the Chinese are helping Iran with satellite targeting, and below you can see these two circle radars in a US hangar in the Middle East, and up top the Iranians perfectly destroyed them. The Iranians don't have satellites like this, only the Chinese. Trump just said he cannot rule out a ground operation in Iran. Also, make sure to comment your thoughts and follow me for the newest update.